to YouTube. I am here with Jasmine. We're at the fireworks and her cousin. Excuse me, who are you?
Olivia.
Olivia. Wait. Wait. No, that name's already taken. I'm gonna just call you Bolivia.
Olivia.
Yes, Bolivia. That's a beautiful name. With Kai and Emma, it's okay because I get them mixed up a lot. So basically, they share two names.
I have two more cousins here. Her brother and my other cousin.
Yeah, everybody. I think everybody might be at the fireworks. Alexis said she missed Chris, Jeffrey's friend.
Chris, I know because she's dating him.
I didn't know that.
You did it? Seriously? What the heck are you videotaping?
Fireworks.
Oh. Oh, that was cool.
I wanted to record the fireworks.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, my voice.
I miss Jade and Tracy and Ashlyn.
Because you like Jade and Tracy?
Well, durr.
Durr.
I said that to my mom and she flipped out on me.
I like him better than all the other
She's
boys.
got glow swords. Look.
I like them better. I like him better than all the boys because all the other boys like to play football and they have an active.
I don't have no necklaces. I'm sorry. This is all I got. This is 5 and this is 8. Where is that at? Anyways. Okay, I'm gonna pop. It's on the chair. My uncle the clown is here. My uncle the clown is here. He has beard and shaved head to look like a clown.
This is my other cousin.
It's nice to meet you. Say hello to YouTube.
She's not allowed to be on YouTube.
Oh, okay. No YouTube for you.
She's not allowed to be on anything, but she has Instagram and she takes selfies of herself.
I don't really good on selfie. I don't like selfie. No selfie. 9 on the selfie.
I can take a